Welcome to the Thule Apex XT 4-bike hitch-mounted bike rack product demonstration. Thule's Apex XT is compatible with 1 1/4 and 2-inch hitches. Remove the Allen bolts from the silver hitch adapter to fit 1 1/4-inch hitches. To install the bike rack, slide the base into your hitch until the holes line up, then latch the hitch pin. Use the locking tightening knob to secure the bike rack into your hitch. Then lock the knob with the provided key to lock the bike rack to your vehicle. The knob will spin freely in both directions when locked. The ratcheting bike cradle straps come in 2 different lengths. The 4 shorter straps are for the anti-sway mechanisms and the 8 longer straps are for the top cradles. The bike arms fold down by pulling the gray lever located at the top of the mast. The mast tilts away using the gray lever located at the bottom of the mast, allowing access to your rear hatch area or tailgate. When loading your bikes, always load the bikes with the seat post on the same side as the anti-sway mechanism. Once the bike is placed into the cradles, use the ratchet straps to secure the bikes to the cradles. Once you have your bikes loaded, pull the integrated cable lock out of the mast and attach the cable head into the slot on the end of the bike arm and lock it. Thanks for watching our Thule 9025xt Apex XT bike rack informational video. If you have any questions, please contact us at 1-800-272-5362 or visit us at rackwarehouse.com. And always remember, we fit your lifestyle.